So hello guys, welcome back to the another video in channel Software Guru. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your laptop much faster than ever before. Yes guys, there are only just five steps you have to follow. So let's start without wasting any time. Let's start with the first step, that is uninstalling the bloatwares. Bloatwares are the app installed with your laptop. For that you need to go in settings, click on apps and click on apps and features, and here you can see all the apps installed on your laptop or PC. So you have to just identify the apps which are not used by you, or you are not using it right now. So you can see we have maps, we have 3D viewer, we have Cortana, we have this or OneNote for Windows 10. So we're just gonna uninstall every single app that we are not using. So let's start with the 3D viewer. Just click on this, left click only, just click on this and click on uninstall. After that it will give another pop-up, so uninstall from there also and wait for some time until it uninstalls. So you have to uninstall every single app just like this which you are not using. So as you can see, the 3D viewer has been uninstalled from my laptop successfully now. Okay, so now let me show you. Okay, then let's move to the second feature. The second feature is, guys, very simple, and this feature is about antivirus. In this case you did not need to install any antivirus, but you have to uninstall. As you can see in my Windows 10 or your Windows 10, for all Windows 10 it already gives you antivirus. So you can see after opening this, it gives every single feature that an antivirus needs, and it's totally free. So you don't need to install any antivirus in your PC or laptop. You can see it has given all features like personal, security, Windows, network, and all antivirus features it has given. You can see you can select any other option, any single option from here, and you can enable antivirus for that. So okay guys, this was for the antivirus. Let's move to the another feature. The another feature is keeping your Windows up to date. Like many of the users do not update their PC just because of the storage option. So you have to keep your PC or laptop up to date with the Windows updates. You do not need to hesitate for the updates. Just go in the settings and open and search for the updates and security option there. As after coming to the settings, scroll down. So okay, so just scroll down and you can see the updates and security option here. Just click on this and it opens another window. So okay guys, you can see my laptop is up to date with the every single update which has came till yet for the Windows 10. I will show you that there is no update available for my laptop now. So in case if it is available with you, just update your laptop and make your Windows faster. So now let's move to the fourth feature. The fourth feature is the startup tabs, startup applications installed in your laptop. For that you need to click on Control Alt Delete and select Task Manager. As you can see, all the apps running in the background showed here. Just after coming in this, click on Startup, and you can see all the apps which are enabled to be start on the startup has been displayed here. Just disable every single app that you are not supposed to be startup on the boot. This slow down your booting process. So I don't prefer enabling the Adobe CS6 on startup, so I will just disable it. And like this, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, every single app that I don't use, I will just disable all of them. You have to keep in mind that you should not disable the main things like these programs, module options. You have to disable the third party apps that you have manually installed. Okay guys, so I will just show you disabling the every single. Okay, so after this step, let's move to the another fifth feature that you have to follow, and this is the last and simple and easy feature. For that you just need to open your settings, and this is about all the storage. Just open settings. After opening the settings, type storage here. I was struggling to find the storage option here, so I have typed here. Okay, after that click on storage settings. After it opens, you can see all the storage options access to your PC or laptop here. You can see it is scanning. The scan may took a while, so you click on any storage option, it will redirect you to the page, and you can disable, uninstall, remove or clear the storage from here. So okay guys, this was all for today. If you have watched this far, just go on the Chrome or your browser and please make sure to visit our website softwareguruferoz.com, and you can find interesting stuff there also. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video.